Everybody, my name is David. I'm a Coke Play Frontier from the Genesis Group. Today, I'm going to give you guys a quick market update and, let's get this started. So, we all know what happened to Bitcoin. It got smashed. It got smashed pretty bad. If we look at the 4-hour chart, I said Bitcoin would have had some pretty good support around 5,500. Was it 34,500 to 35,500? And it was doing pretty good. And then it fell to 34,000. It got some support. Let's look at the technicals here. So if we look, it actually, you had a wick that went all the way down to 33,500. And right now, it's back around the 35,500 mark. So it's not bad, but let me just let you guys know what's going on, okay, Coke family? Man, if it goes down, once again, you had a wick that went down to this 33,500 line. And it can even go down to this line at 32,000, around 32,400. Okay, if it does pump up, I imagine you're gonna have some strong resistance at 36,500 and up here at 37,744, right? Around that price range. Remember, the sooner it takes to reach these lines, then obviously the numbers are lower, the longer it takes, depending on which line. Like if this line is going up, if it reaches it around here instead of at this point, then it'll be like 30, it could be almost like 38,000, Here, right now at this very dot, it's 36,500, but if you reach it sooner, it'll be like 36,600, 700, like that. Now these charts that I use is by Optical Arts, okay? I am a subscriber there. They have, he has his own YouTube, so I do highly recommend following the channel. Now here, if Bitcoin goes down, once again, you'll find support at this line right here. And if it breaks down, you're going to find support at 32,000, around 32,500, okay? And, and of course, even here, it could go down to 30,000, okay? You could even have a wick underneath it. So, yeah, if it goes up, you're going to have resistance at 37,300 to 37,700, but just don't worry about how high up it might go. I mean, it has a break, I mean, can it even reach there or break above and start using that line as a support? Who knows? What I'm imagining this is a daily. What I'm imagining is Bitcoin could test this orange line at 32,200. And in a bad situation, Bitcoin would test this red line at 28,500 or 584. But what I think could happen is Bitcoin could move sideways or test this orange line and move up, go sideways, and then it's going to reach where you see this green line, okay, this 41,511. And you could kind of see it go sideways, and where the orange line and the green line might cross, it could kind of get it, I imagine it'll go in that range. And that's around, 35,000. Okay, so right now it's obviously above that price, but imagine going up and down, and going into this range here, this cross. That's what I imagine, is the possibility of what's going to happen. So it'll go up and down between the orange and the green. And we got to see how the market reacts. You know, I think that's definitely a possibility of the range that Bitcoin will go in. So just right now, just let's keep our eyes at 33,000. Okay. Between here, let's keep our eyes at 33,500 to, or 33,400, 500, 300, around that to like, yeah. Okay, let's look at that for support. All right. And if it breaks 33,000, let's try to see how if Bitcoin could bounce off this white line here at 32,000, around 400. Okay, that's what we're looking for. Now, so that's Bitcoin's case. It's unfortunate. And, you know, if you looked at the last video and the video before that, I wasn't really focused on the high price. I kind of just focused on the lower price because that's kind of, unfortunately, that's kind of feeling. However, hopefully we could start talking about what would happen if Bitcoin starts moving up and down. But right now we've got to look at more on the downside. Now, enough about Bitcoin. Let's talk about good news. Let's talk about good news. The good news is, Coke family, right here. Boom. KOK-COIN has reacted phenomenally well. All right, look at KOK-COIN. It's really, there's no change. All right, there's no change. Now, I did say that I expected KOK-COIN to move up, and if you look at the wick, it did kind of break to the upside, but there wasn't enough support in the market to have it push up, and it went back in. But right now, it's still moving sideways. If I look at this on the weekly, you know, we got to see where KOK-COIN closes its weekly chart, weekly price. But, I mean, this is a beautiful pennant formation, and I think KOK-COIN could still move up sometime next week. Or maybe even a week before that. But anyway, KOK-COIN it's just everything looks really solid about KOK-COIN. Here, I wish I would have set this up earlier. Sorry, everyone. Okay, so let's look at KOK-COIN, and let's look at KOK-COIN even in the 14-day chart. And you can see it's really just good sideways action. Here's a 90-day chart. Nice parabolic move up. Good consolidation, sideways action. This is beautiful. This is actually beautiful. Let's look at Bitcoin. Let's look at the 90-day. I mean, you're just stair-stepping down. This is Bitcoin's 90-day. Okay? You're just stair-stepping down. Here, let's look at the 30-day. Okay? It was at 51,000. Right? Huge steps down. All right? So, once again, Bitcoin on the 90-day. Bitcoin on the 30-day. It's all just down. And you just look at Ethereum, you look at all these other main coins, they're, you know, altcoins or coins, it doesn't matter. The altcoins or tokens, they've been getting crushed. But look at KOK-COIN on the 90 days. That's just beautiful. I'm telling you, if you look at this chart and if you look at KOK-COIN in the past, it's getting ready to move up, despite what's going on in the market. All right, let's look at 30 days. It's just sideways. This is beautiful. All right. So if you look at the max, big bump up, consolidation, up, consolidation, up, 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 up. It's just, you have spikes up, consolidations, moving sideways, and then you have, this was a nice consolidation period, and you had this big parabolic move. So let's think about this from here to here. This was, okay, October 1st. Okay, November 17th. So that was like 46 days. December 13th. January 22nd. So that's about, you know what? I still think before the end of February, well, actually, technically, midway through, from now to midway through February, just if you look at the charts, KOK-COIN's going to make a move up. All right, KOK-COIN's going to make a move up. It's just that's what we've seen here. This is probably a long period here. This is February 21st. April 16th. Okay, so that, wow, that was almost, let's say that was over around 50 days. Then let's look at this peak. If we hit it from that range, 13th, and that was, let's see, February 13th, give or take. Yeah, that's right. So between now and halfway through February, if Bitcoin just follows its normal pattern, Bitcoin's still going to move up despite what's going on in the market. Now, I'm going to give you guys worst case situation. All right. Let's say for KOK-COIN, in the worst case situation, anyway, let's say even now, KOK-COIN still has room to go about here. $45.43 to $5.36, okay? And it'll still find support, but if it goes down, the next support's around $5, okay? However, that's in the worst case situation. I think KOK-COIN can have a wick. KOK-COIN can have these wicks like this, and if you're actually watching, and if you're like me, like you're tethered out unless you're just holding KOK-COINs, which I have more KOK-COINs than anything. But obviously I have some tether. Well, I've been holding tether. If I see KOK-COIN have a wick down like this, like the $5 one or the $5.23 one, yeah, I'm buying into it because that's what I did last time, and it was beautiful because it came right up. So if you're lucky, we have a wick down for you to buy into. Other than that, it's just going to, in my opinion, yeah, it's going to move up. In the worst case situation, KOK-COIN can break down and it'll find support around $5. Okay, I'm going to just show you a worst case situation here. And then it'll start finding good support around $4, high 80 cents down to this range here. $4.50 something cents. But that's like, to me, that's like a bad situation. And I don't think it's going to happen. I think within now to halfway through February, if it goes, the later it takes, I think the move is going to be bigger. So if here on KuCoin, KuCoin went down up to $6.70, almost 70 cents. The next move up, yeah, I think KuCoin is going to break the previous high. And, you're going to see a $7 KuCoin. Maybe $7 to $7.50, maybe even $7 to $8. I wouldn't be surprised. So that's personally, despite what's happening to Bitcoin and the rest of the market. All right. And let's be honest, you could check all my videos in the past. I've been calling a lot of these, and a lot of the price markets were actually on target. So that's what I see. Coke family, be happy. Be happy. This is why. Now, remember, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not telling you what to do. I am telling you what I'm doing, and I give you reasons why, okay? And, Coke family, congratulations. We are in the good. While the other markets suffered, suffered. I mean, they just got slaughtered, over 20% drops, 30% drops. They just got slaughtered. Even more in some of these other altcoins, but not KOK-COIN. KOK-COIN's actually just where it's at. No big deal. So, yeah, congratulations. We're in the good. Don't worry. I actually see a move up coming up soon. All right. By now till like halfway through February. Okay. So that's technically like 3 weeks. All right. That's what I think. I see a move up within 3 weeks and some change. I could be wrong, but anyway, that's just what I see. All right, everyone. Please take good care of yourself. Please prepare. I know it's already January 23rd. Wow, this year is going by fast, but the winter's not over. So please, be prepared. Please take good care of yourself. Take a physical care of yourself. What is it right here? Yeah, right here. That's it, right? KeyFit online PT program launching event. Please, take good physical care of yourself. Join this PT program. These personal trainers, they look like they know what they're doing. They're in excellent shape. So, other than that, also, you want to take good spiritual care of yourself, all right? Mental care of yourself. Praying for all y'all in the Koch family and everyone else. Please do the same for me. And of course, God bless y'all and Koch on.